This week, we are going to be working with arrays. And so chapter 6 has arrays, lists, and array lists. We are not going to cover it all in the same week. We're going to do arrays this week, and then next week, we're going to do lists and array lists. And the reasoning is that there are some students that really struggle with arrays. And you need to understand how arrays work before we move on and learn about collections. And array lists and lists are part of collections. So we start with arrays. And basically what you are going to be doing this week, first of all, the game that you guys created last week, you are going to be posting to a discussion this week to share with your peers. And everybody likes playing games, and it is fun to see what other people come up with. So what you are going to need to do is do a little video demonstration of your game, explain what the goal of the game is and how you determine whether a player wins or not. Okay, and I've got the due date listed here. If you have video recording software that you prefer, awesome. Otherwise, you can actually go to Zoom's website and you can host a meeting. You just click on the arrow next to host. You are going to have to log in, so you can create an account. It doesn't cost anything. But if you use Zoom like that, the videos do have to be short. You can't do longer videos unless, you pay, but they will let you do short ones. So you're probably going to need to log in the right-hand side of the screen. There is a little host menu. See, sign up for free. I'll probably have to sign in. Actually, I think I might, yeah. I have to sign in through NMC, so I'm probably not going to go in here. But when you go in, you will see in the upper right, it says host, and you just basically click an arrow, and then you can host the movie. I do have directions on how to use Zoom. And if any of you are confused about that, just pop in during my live stream hours, or you can come into any of my labs on, let's see, next week. I'll be having lab on Wednesday. So pretty much from, let's see, 2 o'clock. From 2 o'clock until 7:30, I will be in Zoom. So hop in and I can quick show you how that works. A link to the live stream is up on the homepage. Just click on home. Anyway, so I want you to play your game. I want you to run it and play it and do a little demo. And then if you're really uncomfortable with that, if you attend class on October 9th, you can do your demo in class and I will record it for you. And then I will add the recording to your discussion post. Okay, so kind of up to you if you want to do it on your own or if you want to come to class. And so you will have a video that you need to add. And then you also need to add the game code as an attachment. And you will either be able to copy and paste the code into a text file and upload that, or you can upload your C# file. Okay, and so that is what you need for the posting. And I have an example of what that will look like. And you can see I actually copied and pasted my code into a text document, and I uploaded it that way. Okay, but when you hit reply, you will be able to add your media. Okay, and unfortunately, recording media for us, it's just not going to work. It actually records your face. It doesn't really record the screen. So you're going to have to upload the media. Okay, and then you'll have to find the MP4 file which is what Zoom creates, or you'll have to find whatever video you created and you can just drag it right in here. Okay, and then as far as the attachment goes, here is the attach button. Okay, and so you have to either find your CS file or you need to, copy and paste into a text file and upload that so people can see the code. And that is what you are going to be sharing with your peers. Okay, so you will post it and then you need to read your classmates' postings and reply to 2 of them. Okay, and I like positive replies and positive responses. Keep in mind, everybody in this class is coming into class with a little different programming background. Some people have 0 experience and other people have quite a bit of experience. So, everybody has different skill levels. And so I just want you guys to keep that in mind when you are making comments. So I like positive comments. So if you really like somebody's game and you think it would have been cool for them to add a certain feature, tell them about the feature. So that is the type of thing that I like in the posts. And I did do an example that you guys can take a look at. You can see it's very, very short. So the post does not have to be long. And you guys will all be doing something similar. So that is the discussion. And it does address a learning outcome in our course. If you look at the syllabus, there are significant learning outcomes that I have to address. And so this one is addressing students will demonstrate interpersonal communication skills while relating design decisions. Okay, so this is one of the ways we are addressing this. So that is your first task. After you complete that task, then you're going to do the reading assignment, which is super short because you are not going through the whole chapter. So you are just going to look at the 3 pages. However, there are a ton of examples, and I want you guys to look at all the examples because the examples show you how to code arrays. And there are videos. I've got a video on the entire chapter, and I also have it on the example section. So if you just want to forward to the example section, it is at 26 minutes and 38 seconds. So prior to that, it's talking about the chapter. Okay, and so you're going to go through that, and then you will do the lab assignment. And the only exercises you need to complete are the first 2. The first 2 exercises go with arrays. Okay, so you'll complete those 2 exercises and you'll be submitting them to the Dropbox. And you can either copy and paste or you can upload your CS file, either one. Okay, and that is it for this week. The understanding check is in next week's block because that is where we will finish the chapter. Okay, so not a whole lot on the agenda for this week. I figured it would take some of you a little while to get your video done, and people do struggle a bit with arrays. I have included extra resources for you. And if you are confused or you need help with anything, please let me know because I am here to help you.